Hey there, my fur-tastic friends. Welcome back to the Monkey the Cat podcast. I'm Monkey, your favorite talking cat, and today's episode is all about something super valuable, something you can't buy, can't force, and once broken, takes a long time to rebuild. Our lesson today: trust takes time but breaks quickly. Protect it. Trust is what makes friendships strong, teams work well, and families feel safe. But just like a glass vase, if you drop it, even once, it can crack or shatter. I learned this when I made a promise to Brooklyn and didn't keep it. It started with a simple promise. Brooklyn was nervous about going to the vet. "I'll go with you," I said. "I'll sit right next to you the whole time." She wagged her tail, smiled, and said, "Thanks, Monkey. That means a lot." But the morning of the appointment, I got distracted. Max wanted to show me a new dance move. Olive needed help untangling her yarn. And I forgot. By the time I got to the vet's office, it was over. Brooklyn was quiet. She didn't look mad. She looked disappointed. That hurt more than any bark or growl ever could. I apologized. Truly. "Brooklyn, I'm so sorry. I said I'd be there and I wasn't. I broke your trust." She nodded. "I know you didn't mean to hurt me," she said, "but I was counting on you. Trust takes time to build, Monkey." And she was right. So I made a new promise. To show up, to be present, to protect the trust we'd built, one action at a time. And since then I've learned, promises are not just words, they're responsibilities. Trust grows slowly, like a tree, but it can fall fast, like a toppled vase. Protect it, nurture it, guard it with care. What we learned today: trust is built with honesty, consistency, and follow-through. Even small broken promises can hurt deeply. Rebuilding trust takes patience and effort. The best way to protect trust is to mean what you say and do what you promise. So here's my challenge for you today. Think about someone who trusts you and do something that honors that trust. Keep a promise. Be on time. Tell the truth, even when it's hard. Because trust is a treasure. It takes time to earn and only moments to lose, so handle it with love. Thanks for tuning in to the Monkey the Cat podcast. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and remember, trust is the foundation of every strong relationship. Build it carefully, keep it safe. Until next time, my Pawsum pals, stay loyal, stay honest, and always show others they can count on you. Bye for now.